You can subscribe and share this channel and can press bell icon to get more updates. Today we will discuss about what is a language processor. A language processor, as its name, is used to process one type of language to another type. In simple words, if we want to discuss, a language processor is a type of system software which is used to convert high-level language to low-level language. But what is a high-level language and what is a low-level language? A high-level language like Python, C++, Java, COBOL, Fortran, Pascal, these all are high-level languages, and these languages can be used by a programmer to write their program. If we want to communicate with someone, we must have a knowledge about any specific language. If you want to write a program in any specific language, you must have a knowledge about this language. Then you can write a program. But our computer is able to understand only low-level language. This 010101, this is called a low-level language, and it is also called a binary language. A binary language consists of 0 and 1 only. Our computer cannot understand high-level language. So for this reason, there should be a one system software in our computer which will convert high-level language to low-level language. And this software is called language processor. There are different types of a language processor like assembler, compiler, interpreter. I will explain difference in next video. I will try to explain it with the help of one more example. You can see this block diagram. In this block diagram, I have taken this source file and I have written this source file in Python programming language, and this is a high level language. Now this program cannot be understood by our computer machine. So this program should be converted into a binary code, and this binary code will be called a object code. To convert this high level language to low level language, there should be a one system software which is called a language processor. So this is a source file. When a programmer write their program into any high level language, then this file is called a source file. Then this source file will get converted into a low level language, and this can be done with the help of a language processor. And then this low level language can be understood by our computer. I mean to say, this object file will get executed by our computer, and then computer will display output according to source file. Now it is showing output 11 according to our source file. So I want to explain it again. What is a language processor? As its name, it will convert high level language. What are high level languages? Like C, C++, Java. These all are high level languages, and a programmer can use one of them to write their program at a time. And then this program will be called a source file, and this source file will get converted into low level language with the help of a language processor. And after this low level language file, which will be called object file, this object file will get executed by our computer machine, and then a result will get displayed on our screen as like 11. Okay, there are different types of a language processor. I have already told you, like a compiler, then assembler, interpreter. Some languages are interpreter based and some languages are compiler based. For example, I have written this code in Java. This code will get converted into low level language with the help of a compiler, because Java is a compiler based language. This code, this source file will get converted into low level language with the help of a compiler, Java compiler. And this is a Python language, high level language. There I have used two languages, Java language to write my Java, and compiler cannot convert Python source file into low level language, because Java is based on compiler and Python is based on interpreter. And this is a Python language. I have written this code in Python language, and this code, this source file will get converted into low level language with the help of an interpreter.